James and Max here, and welcome to Recurring AI. We have something absolutely insane for you. You see so many products out there, and it's like, oh, I've heard about this before. Oh, they're just doing the same old stuff. If you want something new, if you want something exciting, if you want something that's going to freaking blow your brain as to the fact that this is even possible, you need to pick up Recurring AI. There's so many amazing parts to this, but yet it's so simple. Have you thought to yourself, gosh, I think I could get paid $5,000 to give someone access to a text file? Have you thought about that? Have you thought about getting people paying you $15,000 a month to access something? Have you done that? What if you thought about, could I get 2,000 people to pay me every 3 days? Not just once a month, not just every 2 weeks, but every 3 days or every 5 days to get access to a Discord group, to get access to a Telegram group, to get access to a Notion template, to get access to an Excel spreadsheet? You're probably thinking to yourself, well, gosh, I didn't even know we could do that. I didn't even know that a world like this existed. And this isn't something that I could do. I don't have a following. I'm over here in this country. This wouldn't work for me. No, let me tell you, this works for anybody. This works for anybody that's willing to go through our simple system and have this world open up to you, where there's hundreds of thousands of people that are paying crazy money. You might not have $15,000 a month, but there are people that are out there. You might not realize that there's 2,000 people out there that are willing to pay you $39 every 3 days, $70 every 5 days, but they're there. And we're going to show you how to access that. We're going to show you how to access that world where you can get this money hand over fist. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. And it's not about being smart. It's not about having technical ability. It's not about having a following. It's about recognizing what's going on in the market. And when you use the power of AI, recurring money is coming in like crazy. No longer do you need to think about, well, where am I going to get that next piece of traffic? No longer do you need to worry about, well, how am I going to get money next month? Get money all the time coming in on a recurring basis. Recurring AI is hot. And for the price point that we're selling this, it's absolutely insane. So you need to pick it up below. Max?
Yeah, guys, Recurring AI is an amazing product. I'm super happy that we are able to give you something like this. It's all about, making these recurring commissions. Like, this is the holy grail of online marketing. You can get paid once, amazing. You can get paid a second time by the same customer, really good. But what if you can get paid every single month for the next 1, 2, or maybe 3 or 4 years? Like, this is something that is possible right now. And the even crazier part is that you don't need any knowledge for this, because there is, again, artificial intelligence that can take care of all the heavy lifting for you. This is an amazing product, Recurring AI. I highly recommend that you pick this up, because right now is the perfect timing to get started. James and I, we're seeing great results because we already got started. Now is the time to get started. If you want to start with this in 5 years from now, it might still work. It is most likely still going to work, but the competition is just going to be 100x bigger, and you'll just have a much harder time. So now is the time to get started. Pick up Recurring AI below. You will definitely love it.